Hey everyone, we are so excited to announce that we will be releasing the first Unstoppable family book. This has been in the process pretty much since I've been born, so we're so excited to share it with you.
We're going to be sharing our stories when we lost everything to rebuilding our life back on the road. And this is for you if you're looking for a better relationship in your family, better health, spirituality, business, and raising a family in an unconventional way.
Yeah, we are so excited to have this book. It's actually launching at the end of 2022. So we will keep you updated on the book launch and the big tour that we're going to be launching. And now, put your name on our list because we're going to be giving away some goodies every single week and month and keeping you updated on what's happening with the Unstoppable Family book. We can't wait to share our stories and our wisdom with you. So don't forget to be unstoppable and stay wise.